Coming back to New to Me. So today's project, as you can see, that light is on the outside, it's blinking, and that light is in the middle and it's blinking, and there's no parking light. And I think there is a parking light here, but hey, let's just get into it and see what we can discover. So first of all, I'm not sure if this is right, so I'm going to take off this lens. I'm going to take off all the lenses and see what kind of surprises could be in store. You don't want to probably do that. That bulb definitely looks burned out, without a doubt. So I got a feeling, oh, you know what? It's a double bulb. Maybe they both are supposed to flash, and we got some burned out bulbs. Well, we're just gonna keep right on investigating, and we'll find out what the case is. All right, so I got us thinking we have a bulb burned out over there. These are a little stuck. Hold on, I'm gonna go get a screwdriver. Be right back. All right, we're back, and we have a little screwdriver that'll help us get these lenses out of here. And I'm gonna say that that looks okay, but this bulb is definitely no good. So we're going to try another bulb. So this is a 1157 bulb. I think that is okay there. And we're going to check it over here to find out, because this bulb doesn't look like it's any good either. I think we just need a couple bulbs, 1157s. And I'm not so sure I have those, but all of the other parking lights work, and I would assume this one up here works. This is a third brake light, and I have a license plate light, and I know I have the side marker lights, so maybe I should check to see if I have reverse lights. Hold on. Okay. I put the RV in reverse. Oh, looks like I have two reverse lights. All right, so it looks like my bulb dilemma is just a couple 1157 bulbs. That's an easy fix. I'll be right back. I have to locate some of those bulbs because I've only got one, so may have to make a run to the parts store. Be right back. We're back from getting some new bulbs, and I think this one needs a little bit of attention. Okay, so we're going to spray some stuff in there to loosen it up. Hold on, I'll be right back. All right, we're back, and I'm going to spray to see if I can loosen this up a little bit. Let me sit down this can. Hold on, I'm gonna get a rag. I've really made the bulb slippery now. Okay. Try that again. Well, there might be a problem with this socket, because I can get it to power as long as I push it up, but that's not gonna work. So we'll have to do doesn't look like it's gonna loosen up any. All right, so we're gonna put you on hold and see what's next. Okay, thanks for coming back. As you can see, I have put on all the lenses except this one, and I have the bulb here. And I've been working on this socket, and I think I've got it loose enough. So let's try and see what we got. Oh yeah. Okay, so I think we're good to go. We've got parking light and turn signal. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the screws in it and say this project is done. All right, so I've got the got all the bulbs fixed, and I'm putting the lenses back on. Notice I'm putting them back on with a regular screwdriver because I don't want to make them too tight and then crack a lens. So that's why I'm using the screwdriver to put them back on instead of the screw gun. So that's a project that's all done now for New to Me, and hey, we're making headway one project at a time. So I think the next project is going to be probably a backup camera up there. I'm gonna go with a wireless one, and I've got it on order. Probably be here in a few days. Maybe that'll be the next video. So hey, if you think about it, subscribe. Really helps me out a lot, and I'm gonna try and keep making these videos for you, so keep tuning in. Thank you. Thanks for coming to New to Me.